Hello everyone, I am Sam Lee from Class 4B again, and I am going to talk about finding your way around. To find an unfamiliar place, we usually make use of maps or even a globe. Next, we need to have an idea, the direction of that place, what country, city, or an address. With these information, you can decide how you can travel to that country and city. Then how to go to an address or a place with the help of street maps, suitable websites, or even GPS. But no matter what tools are you going to use, you need to know your directions, the ability to recognize road or street names, land features. If you are lost, you should seek assistance from the police or people with local knowledge. That's the end of my second presentation, and I also hope you will like it too. See you next time.